Hi guys, Funky here, Scale Street Garage. 1k subscriber giveaway video, and it's for this Lamborghini Murcielago, but not in the condition as it is there, obviously. This is from last week's video where I restored this car, and it now looks, there's its box, and here's what it looks like. And I hope that the new owner of this loves it as much as what I do. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But I'm sorry guys, there can only be one winner, and it's the YouTube random comment picker that's going to choose who the winner is. Enter the video address here. It says amount of unique commenters is 67, so it's a 1 in 67 chance of winning. So good luck to each and every one of you. Thank you all for your fantastic comments and your superb feedback. It means the world to me, and all your continued support. And the lucky winner of the Lamborghini Murcielago is David Parker. Congratulations, David. He's put, I don't know if I consider myself lucky to have a turd in my hand. What, a turd in your hand is worth two in the bush. Great sense of humour David's got. I consider myself lucky to have you as a mentor and a YouTube family member. So Funky of Scale Street, keep on funkying on with your toys and vids. Fingers, toes and eyes crossed, I'll be parkering it in my garage. Well, David, you will be parkering it in your garage, buddy. Drop me a message, send me your address, and this Lamborghini Murcielago is on its way to you. The address is funky at funky-rat-tattoo.com. It will be in the description below. Thank you very much to everyone else. Congratulations, David. Thanks to everyone else, and thank you for all your continued support and all your fantastic feedback, all your lovely messages. Continue liking and sharing. Plenty more videos coming up, and hopefully some more giveaways soon. So thanks to every single one of you, and congratulations to David. Like I say, don't forget to contact me, buddy, and this car will be making its way to you. I'll catch you all soon, guys. Thanks, bye.